Lucy gets me, and she understands how I learn, and she understands if I say to her that something isn't working for me, or I've lost something and I need her to help me find it, I can blurb it out in an email and she'll understand what I'm trying to say. She's just brilliant. I just have 100% faith in all of the I've spoken to Harriet as well. Harriet and Chris I've spoken to. They are equally as brilliant as Lucy. They give the information that they've got, the knowledge that they have. That's the word I was looking for a minute ago. The knowledge that they have at their fingertips is astounding. I will always try to email my queries first, so it gives them time to find the resolution before they come back to me. But if it's something that I need an answer right here, right now, I can phone it through, and whoever answers the phone is able to help me out there and then. I can think maybe less than a handful of times I've had to phone through and they've gone, I'm not sure, I need to come back to you. And within an hour, I've got an answer. Everybody that I have spoken to have been brilliant and I'm not very technologically minded at all. So I need spoon feeding a little bit, and they've all got the patience to go through very gently with me and spoon feed me and get me to where I need to be. And the amount of times it gets followed up with an email with pictures and arrows. This is where you need to go. This is what you need to do. They're just brilliant. They're fantastic. The whole team are fantastic. I would honestly say that CleanLink is an extension of White's Cleaning. They are, they're obviously not a sister company, but they feel like a sister company. Without CleanLink, White's Cleaning couldn't do what we do. And that's not being dramatic. That is being honest. It is fundamental. CleanLink is fundamental to me running the business as efficiently as I do.